Next up, Riverfront View for Handshake. In this, we need to find out what happened and scout the Midnight Sapphire. For this, you'll need to head all the way up north to Midnight Sapphire. I'd recommend you come to Foxtrot 1 for Hunter's Paradise and make your way east to just above the waterfall over here. Then once we've visited here, head down to this LZ right here. Let's do it. Heading from this point here, we'll head around the north here, hopefully not getting shot at. These guards are super angry, and it's about a 1k walk, so there's quite a bit of distance to cover. So from this LZ, heading pretty much straight east, we should be able to just pretty happily approach the place. So coming pretty far north over this place, we should be well out of view for most of the guards. It's just the biggest danger to us is breaking our legs up here. Of course, just behind this stone wall works just as well anyways, and you will find some guards wandering around. They're packing some crazy heat. These dudes are crazy angry. Continuing east, we'll eventually find the big lake over here, and for me, I'll be heading over this backside here, so you will need to do quite a bit of mountaineering. Seems like taking this bridge right over here and making our way up here is probably the best bet, and of course, we can already see some contact on top of this. Well, that didn't go too well. Very angry. Alright, so traveling once more, we see a much earlier, getting rid of one, and the other. We should be able to grab our loot now. We can continue in this direction until eventually we reach right about here of this Tioa waterfalls, where you should find this body right here with some sort of scanner next to it. We'll investigate them, and shortly after, bam, there we go. We've now finished Riverfront View, and of course, there's the view of the river and the hotel. We'll be seeing a lot more of that very shortly. And now, instead of walking all the way back, I'd recommend you instead walk just down to the southeast to this spot right about here, where you should find, checking my map, the Hotel 1LZ, which will make life a lot easier coming back here. Let's do it. 280 meters. This way would have been a lot quieter, that's for sure. Yep, I don't see much. And so we eventually reached this spot here. Now I can hear an enemy helicopter, which is not the best, with somebody already on it, so it looks like they just left. There we go. Hotel 1LZ has just been discovered. Right, let's get back to base. And there we go, we can handle the quest. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.